that first hone we bought in 2015, we're still using today. And although it wouldn't have done all the blocks from then till now, we've probably done about 120,000 blocks. As a niche market manufacturer of engines, we supply performance crate engines for the industry of people that are restoring old cars. Sunday afternoon, the car show kind of cars. And we also have an industrial division called Origin, where we supply off-highway EPA-certified industrial engines. A lot of those go into generators or wood chippers or some kind of piece of equipment like that. We did recently, at the Performance Racing Industry Show, launch a line of motorsports products. So we are trying to get into the weekend hobbyist racer market. So my name is Norris Marshall. I'm the CEO and founder of BluePrint Engines. So we make our version of some OEM style designs. So a small block Chevy, big block Chevy, small block Ford, those types of engines that are really a big part of the industry and have been around for a long time. But we make entirely new versions from our own engineering. So they fit where a Chevy was, but they're a BluePrint engine, not a Chevy. So we've been in business for 42 years. It'll be 43 in another couple of months. I started the company when I was 20 years old. In the beginning, I was just a one-man shop. I was building racing engines for my buddies. And back then, you built racing engines out of a lot of used components, right? But today, we're able to make all those components new, and if we do enough volume, we can really make them economically. So where others might be building 383 Chevy or an LS3 style engine from some GM components or used components, we build them from all new components that we develop and design and source globally. So it's 100% new engine. We do all the machine work. We bring in raw castings for engine blocks, CNC machine them, and then hone them and assemble them and dyno test them all in-house. We gather up a group of engineers that work here and talk about new products and what we want them to be. And we literally can start with a napkin sketch. And it might take 2 years to bring an entirely new engine to market, but we will actually design and develop every component, including the fasteners, for a new engine. And now we have fully automated machines that run completely on their own. All the operator has to do is load the block. So really we're just down to loading and unloading and monitoring, and we get great predictability from the Rottler machines. So it's allowed us to utilize labor better, and we can have one operator run several machines and still get really high quality.
Hi, I'm Jason Seward. I'm the production supervisor of Block Line, and I've been with BluePrint Engines for 6 years. These hones behind us are running small block Chevys. We usually utilize this one for big blocks, and then LS's, Ford blocks. Some of the features that I do like is the auto drain on them. So it keeps the coolant in your machine when the block is done. The XYZ axis is a really nice feature. So every block that we do comes through the hones.
Rottler's just a great company. They've been around for a long time. They understand the technology of honing extremely well, and they understand the machine tools very well, and they keep innovating and making the equipment better. So we're really excited to work with Rottler.